Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is your friend in crypto. I got a brand new project for you all today. I think it's pretty interesting. We'll go over that in a minute. First, I want to thank each and every one of 394 subscribers, almost 400 subscribers. That's great. Without any more delays, we'll get right into this new project I've got for you. Okay, first I just need to say that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. All right, Wolf Capital. It's a new investment platform, and I think it's pretty interesting. We'll want to go right into the white paper here and go over this project. Now, a couple of good things about this right off the bat is the CEO and the developer are both known. They've got they are a they had a project called the WC Miner. Some of you might remember it, who did fairly well. They've had other projects as well. Some done well, some have not done so well, but they have no record of ill doing, or what do you want to say? You know, no questionable, nothing questionable in their past. They're both the project is audited. They're both KYC, both doxed with Anani docs, and so right off the bat, that's a good deal. Now, Wolf Capital is a next-gen DeFi staking dApp launched on the BSC chain. They're using USDC. As you guys well know, and I've heard there's a lot of projects or a lot of problems and issues with BUSD right now. A lot of these projects are going to end up probably, you'll see in the future, will end up going with USDC or something other than BUSD just to avoid any potential problems. They've created a new staking dApp that will change the way staking will be seen forever. Reduced Ponzonomics. All investments in the dApp will be used to generate revenue through Wolf Capital diversified portfolio, generating wealth for all investors. Here it talks about their successful launch of the WC Miner back in the day. After that, they came up with this Wolf Capital. Wolf Capital will bring in 1% daily returns for all investors through our diversified portfolio. It says they will allocate certain percentage of the TVL into different sectors of the market, including not limited to bot trading, volatile grid trading, crypto coins, VC loans, venture capital loans, and staking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, here's another bot trading platform. Yeah, in a way, but I'm going to go over a couple things, particularly the teams. And one good thing about this bot trading platform, and I'll show you, I'll put links in the description, but right here in their Telegram, they have it hooked up with their bot trading. You can go through here and read each and every one of these orders that comes through. It says whether or not it's a success. It tells everything about it. It's a grid. This one's a grid pattern, a grid bot using USDC ETH, creating limit buy order, limit sell order filled. You can see it's live trading, and each and everything is all posted automatically on this site right here, and so that makes it a little bit more, what do you want to say, legitimate, authentic. I don't, whatever you want to call it. Makes it seem a little bit more real. Now, like I said, it's going to be. Here's my MetaMask. It automatically comes back after that. See, real quick, guys, you all should have a timer set up on your on your MetaMask. If you don't already, go into settings and set a timer to where it will automatically lock after a certain amount of time. That's what was going on right there. Anyway, Sorry guys for the interruption. I just want to ask everybody to subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Thank you. Back to the video. Now they said they will bring in 1% daily returns. Now we've seen in the past. I'm shying away from somebody who can guarantee a certain percentage a day. I don't know. You know, it's just hasn't been sustainable in the past. It's hard to say what's you know, even though 1% is a lot more sustainable than anything higher. And there's something about this project that we'll get into that next. But the staking, there is a initial lockup of 60 days. Daily profits, the daily percentage is 1%, and it can increase up to 2%. Now that's something I'm going to go over, and that's the interesting thing about this project. Withdrawals are every 7 days. You're able to withdraw your available funds. If your dividends had not been touched by day 10, then your rewards will stop until you do something with them. They also have a trading halt. They have what's called a trading halt, which will protect your funds from panic withdrawals. In other words, if there's a bank run on the project, it will automatically stop everything in an effort to protect your funds from like when a whale comes in and just withdraws everything out of the contract. What'll happen is they'll come in and they'll stop everything to assess what happened and what steps we need to take moving forward to make sure your funds are well protected. Security is our #1 priority. Now, there's a lot of people that might not like that. There's some people that do like that. It's up to you. So like I said, everybody, you need to be careful. You need to be careful getting into this project, even though it's a super interesting project. But it is another DeFi trading bot project. So anyway, multiple stake feature. Now, what they're talking about here, there's if you first deposit into the project, it will have here, it goes back to the 7-day cycle. You can withdraw every seven days, and there's a 60-day lockup. If a week later you want to put more into the project, that it will incur its own 7-day cycle and 60-day lockup. Now the fees are pretty heavy on deposits. It's a 10% fee on deposit, but there's no fee on withdrawals. And here's what it goes into. 1% goes into the lottery. They have a lottery every 7 days. The contract automatically picks a winner. 3% to the owner, 2% to dev, and 4% to marketing. Now here's the interesting thing. The teams. So this talks about the project team right here. The owner is Trav. This is the developer. They're both have gone through KYC with Anani Docs right here. The wolf packs are the teams. Now, if you join a team and you can increase your percentage if you join a team, and this is how it works right here. If there's a team members of at least 10, and there's at least $5,000 in that the team has deposited, be an increase. Your bonus will be 0.1% every day, every day. If the team gets up to 100 members and at least $50,000 deposited, there's a whole nother percent of bonus. So you'll be up to 200%. The only thing I don't care about this is that everybody's going to be joining the teams, and so it's pretty much everybody's going to be now there is a max amount of people that can join each team, but eventually all these teams will be up to 1%, up to a 1% bonus. So it's basically a 2% a day project, from what I'm seeing here. There's referrals. Now, if you use a referral link, let's say you use my referral link, I will get 1.5%, and you also get a 1.5% bonus on your deposit. Like I said, there's a lottery, 7-day. The lottery will be held weekly and ran by the contract. After 7 days, it will reset. The wolf pack that has the most deposits in that week will be the winner of the lottery for that week. The team that wins will be able to claim their winnings on the site manually. All winnings will be divided equally within the team. If you don't claim it, don't worry. It will be waiting on you whenever you are ready. The lot, and like I said before, the lottery is funded by 1% deposit fees. 1% of the deposit fees of the 10% deposit fees. So, like I said, there's the contracts audited by George Stamp. You can check it out here. There's a link that's clickable. The KYC was done by Anani Docs, and there's links to the contract, Telegram, Discord. They do have Discord, which I like. As you well know, I don't use Telegram other than announcement channels, but we go right into the project here. Now, here's the dashboard. Now I've got to connect my wallet again, otherwise you can't see everything. All right. Here's the staking dashboard where you're gonna make your deposit. It's like I said, it's USDC. They got a little calculator right here. Right now, there's 279 users. Not a whole lot of people in this project yet. 17 total teams. The total investments are 141,000. Total value locked is about 77,000 right now. This is lower than the total investments because if you know anything about these trading projects, they have to take money. They use money out of the TVL to fund the bots. So if you go down here, Wolfpack, I don't have anything in this project right now. I don't have any extra capital, but I plan on getting into it, I think, and I'll keep you updated on that. I wanted to get this project out to you and show you what it's about. If you click on Wolfpacks, this is the teams. Now look at this team. This team right here is maxed out. You can't join this team anymore. He's $116,000 and 200 members on this. So everybody in this team is getting that extra 1% a day bonus. There's some other teams here. This one here has got 53 members with $17,000. And if we go back to here, back to this sucker right here, let's see, what was it? 53 members, $17,000. So 53 members, he doesn't have 25,000, he got 17,000. So this is what they're getting. They're getting an extra 0.3% a day. But if you join this team, if you get in here and join this team right here, Crypto Labs Research, it won't be long and it'll be up to the max and getting the extra 1% bonus as well. So there's some other teams here. They're slowly building teams. These guys are probably other YouTubers right here. I don't plan on having my own team. I'm going to join one of these other ones when I put some money into this project, and go from there. But so I think that's about it. Here's the lottery right here. This is where you get to the white paper, and some of these other links or whatever are good to go. So anyway, I just wanted to bring this project to you guys because it looks pretty interesting. Whether or not you want to get into it, it's up to you. Like I said, it is another project that not really guarantees, but they're saying it's a 1%. But as I explained, most everybody's going to be getting 2% because everybody's going to be joining the teams that are getting the 2%. So. And I don't know how, honestly, I don't know how sustainable this couldn't be. So be careful, guys. But anyway, it's pretty interesting, and I just wanted to bring it to you. I do plan on getting into it, I think, putting together some funds for that. I just put everything I had into Manny's, into the Prosperity Gem Ventures, and that's all right too, because I think that's more guaranteed play than this anyway. But I think that's about it for this one, guys. Have a good day.